Hello guys, welcome back here to another Bitcoin update. We're actually at a very crucial level here, as I've been talking for quite a long time now. We have reached this median line here, and right now I want to discuss the scenarios that I'm looking at right now. I can't see the future, so I'll just be honest what I think right now, and because I don't know what Bitcoin is going to do next. All I know here on the daily, we're at this major resistance. We have tested it once, twice, and right now we're testing it in a third time. And it's actually weekend right now, it's Sunday, and Bitcoin actually managed to get above the median line. So in my opinion, that's very bullish. Something to keep in mind though is that this is very heavy resistance. So Monday we might start seeing a sell-off. And something also I don't like is that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green daily candles in a row. Not that necessarily means that we have to see a red one, but that's just something to be cautious of. In the past, we also had a lot of green candles in a row, and it has been bullish. So if we go here on the 4-hour, you can see we actually got a 4-hour close above this median line here. But on the daily, we're still under it. And I see that altcoins look very weak. Bitcoin barely moved, and I see many altcoins are pulling back. So right now, personally, I still would, because we have Ethereum here. So Ethereum looks very bullish. I do think Ethereum is going to rally. At the same time, we have Bitcoin here just above or reaching the all-time highs here. So I do think Bitcoin can take off, but we haven't seen a proper pullback yet. So just to keep in mind, it's good to be cautious here. We could see a bigger pullback here to 65,000 before then we break higher. And that would also be very healthy for the market, because we have basically gone straight up here. It would just be crazy for me if we just keep going straight upwards. Even though if we check here on the weekly, my top is not this pitchfork, is this pitchfork here will be my top for Bitcoin. So this means even if we go very quickly, this would mean that the top is going to happen very soon on Bitcoin. And I just don't see that happening. So I do think we would need some more sideways movement for Bitcoin. Quickly, I want to cover alts here on CELO. We still have this resistance here. So I'm waiting for CELO here on the daily. Right now, I'm a bit unsure what CELO is going to do. It's been going this sideways, testing this resistance, which is bullish. But if Bitcoin pulls back, CELO could go a bit further down, build some momentum here before then we take off. But overall, as soon as CELO breaks this, actually we don't even have to break this whole zone here. Just as if we can take out these highs, CELO is going to absolutely send very quickly to 3.2 in my opinion. Something else also to keep in mind here is Solana. We still have this major pitchfork I expect us to reach. If we go here on the 4-hour, we have actually, if we go here on the shift one, so if we go here on the weekly, we have this shift pitchfork. You can see how I draw it from the lows here on the weekly time frame to the highs and then to these lows here. And algorithms are waiting here to sell. Price has not yet reached. We are still in the fifth wave. If you come here on the daily, right now Solana looks like it's pulling back, but I do believe very quickly, even if we pull back here, Solana is gonna come up here like a magnet. So on the 4-hour, what I'm looking on Solana, a nice trade could be from this low here, this major wick we have, to the highs. If we come to the 0.31 Fibonacci, here could be an excellent small little trade to ride it up to 61. Just something to keep in mind. Right now it's still Sunday, so I do expect more sideways. I don't think the market will do a lot, but the most important chart right now is Bitcoin, because Bitcoin has a major influence on altcoins right now I'm seeing, which I don't necessarily like, because when Bitcoin takes off, altcoins don't move, and when Bitcoin drops, altcoins follow with it. So of course, if you're in the right altcoins, they still are going higher, but I see Bitcoin has major influence on the market. So if we can get a daily close above this line here, would be very bullish. But remember, this is major resistance. So if we get a pullback even here to 66,000, it's not out of the picture. Just something to keep in mind. Otherwise, please subscribe, join my free Discord link down below. You can message me there. If you have any questions, I'll help you out. Like the video, and see you again tomorrow.
No, read what I wrote, I'm a bestseller. Yeah, reach for my